Okay guys, the fun has come to an end. We are going to pour one out for the CarMax hack. So in March 2023, I bought a 2020 Shelby Mustang GT350 from CarMax. Drove it for a little less than 30 days and put a little less than 1,500 miles on it. Yeah, more like, I think that one I only put like 800 miles on it. And enjoyed the maximum amount out of that car. And then in that was what I say, March 2023. And then that's the wrong cap. It's Friday though, and I am wiped from the work week. Then in October of 2023, I took out a red 2019 Shelby Mustang GT350. Enjoyed the absolute glorious Voodoo engine in that one as well. It's pretty much the same as the 2020, just that one was stealthy gray with black stripes. 2019 was bright Resmi red, but both times I took little mini road trips to meet up with friends, and 8250 RPM redline, 6-speed manual, amazing grip, great suspension. Wonderful cars. I've always wanted to drive those, so drove those. Then, just a couple months ago, March 2024, drove a F8 green Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack with the manual, no wide body, missed out on one of those. Drove that for about 28 days or so, and then returned it. But as of May 12th, 2024, CarMax has changed the policy. The love it or give it back policy, love it or return it, however they word it. So instead of 30 days, it's now 10 days. I don't know what the mileage limit is. It's probably not the glorious 1,500 miles. It's probably way less. And I don't think I want to know. But we pour one out. It was a great little car hack for car enthusiasts like maybe you and me, to try out different cars, to figure out which one you really like the most, and then you can go buy that one. Because you go on a one-day test drive, or maybe you keep the car overnight, or sorry, not a one-day test drive, you go on a 20-minute test drive, or maybe they'll let you keep the car for the night. You just can't get a feel for it. You're driving in, highway conditions, back roads, bumper-to-bumper traffic, going to work and back, going out for a joyride, going out at night. There's so many different scenarios, and when it rains, you gotta like chill out in your 500 horsepower muscle car sports car. So the 30 days was, we didn't know we had it so good, but you know what? Here's to the 30 days. It probably will never return, but I'm glad I got to experience a little bit of it, and I wonder if people have been doing this for years, and if they've enjoyed many cars over the years with the 30-day policy. So yeah, let me know if you've done the CarMax hack down in the comments below. And yeah, something like this will probably won't come again. So if you've enjoyed it like I have, good for you. If you haven't, sorry. It was on CarMax's website. I didn't know about it till about last year. So I was late to the party, but I still got to join in on the fun a little bit. So happy Friday, and let us know in the comments about the CarMax hack. See you.